right, so we are going to we learned how to make a slab yesterday, right? Which is this flat piece, and we were making some test tiles. I'm not sure where mine went, but Natalia's is right here. So hers is is good. It's got the hole in it, it has some texture on it, right? So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a little tiny house using slabs. So instead of just having it be flat, we're going to have it be upright. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it here, right, into our workspace, right?
Oh, I need to
great.
Scoot
is I'm just going to roll out a slab. So Tala is whacking it out over here. That's good too. I'm going to take mine and
but don't make dust. It's bad for you.
Yes, but dust is bad for you. I'm just going to take it and throw it.
Oh yeah, I love this one.
Right? When you throw it, try to throw it at an angle. And whatever angle you're throwing it in, it will stretch in that direction. Then I'm going to take two boards, one here,
direction,
right, just like we were doing yesterday. Right, not yesterday, but the last time that we were working on this. And I'm going to take it, and I'm going to use my rolling pin.
Wow, they go fast to me.
We are doing this all on the same day. We're just going to make a mini house.
So nothing's really dry. I thought you were trying to keep that a secret so they think it's...
So we're going to make these similar because they're going to be, we're going to show them together in a little installation. So I'm just going to take this, and to make it easy, we're just going to do it the width of these boards that I've given you. So that I have 4 of these. So again, I'm just going to pull the slab,
better to have 2 knives.
Or pull the bag off of the slab. And then I'm going to have these 4 sides to my building, right? You can see this? So I'm going to come in here and tally, what do I need to do to these 2 sides that I'm putting together?
You need to put them on the floor, or you can make them into a side.
Okay. My slab is nice and clean already. So if I didn't do that already, then before I even cut them, I would want to make sure that I clean them here. It just makes it easier than doing it later. And then I'm going to come here. And do you remember what we have to do when we put 2 pieces of clay together? Water, right?
Or
score and slip. So I'm going to take this. This is scoring, right? And then we're going to end up putting this on this like this. So that means this edge also needs to have a little water, right? And this is pretty small, so we can just make our own slip on the surface by beating up.
My 4 pieces.
Right, 1.
Oh no, my store pieces are not coming off the table.
2.
Ooh, your house looks pretty.
Thanks.
The biggest piece goes on the bottom.
Right.
In my opinion.
Okay.
The biggest piece should go on the bottom.
And then I'm going to take on the inside corner here.
Everywhere. There we go. Nice.
I'm going to do a little reinforcement coil here.
Come off the table.
I'm going to take this clay.
Come.
Oh, Tally rolled hers out right on the table, so it's stuck. Gotta roll it out on a bag.
I didn't, because I thought it would be fun.
Yeah.
It is fine, because I am fine with taking it off the table. Except for the point that it messes up your coils. Okay, I'm just going to put it there.
We can take this.
Oh, a sponge.
I have to think about how all of these are going to fit together later, right? So if I put this, oops.
I know how she's making this house.
If I'm going to put that there, right? And then eventually, this is going to go here. We're just making a little house.
This is not how my art teacher would have made this house. How is it?
Good one, too.
Of course it's a good one.
Also, like you can see over here, it's kind of messy. Sometimes I need to take, and just like we did, I could take, if I have a big gap.
Yeah, my house. Ah!
Whoops. And push a little clay in that seam.
No, it's me.
And I'm just going to I think I'm going to take one of these other slabs that I have. We just need to do some sort of roof, and you can play around with the roof if you want.
Yeah, I played around with my roof. You basically don't really have to have a bottom, because it's going to be sitting on something, so that's the bottom basically.
Yep, you could have a bottom if you want it.
Yeah, but I had a bottom.
If you wanted to have a bottom, you could take this and you could put it on top of a piece like this, right?
That's how you did it?
Yeah. And then you could trace around it.
And you did knife.
Okay, so now I have all my parts.
That's mine.
Right.
This is yours.
Here. I'm going to come in here. Start building. I could take this and I'm going to play with like making, I think, some sort of texture on the roof. I'm just going to push a door in
coming out my window.
here. Right, and then maybe
Out of the house.
I would have round windows.
You're having round windows?
Yeah.
I already had round windows. Oh, I'm having a balcony on mine. You can add little balconies on your house. Have you ever thought of that?
So you could press the windows in, like I am,
Have you ever thought of having a little balcony on your house?
or
Wait, I'm making a tiny little person now. My little person. Nee, nee, nee. Well, the beginning of my little person.
you could cut this out. Just a basic little house.
I'll get you now.
All right, I think I've lost Natalia. She's running around now, so I gotta go. Oh, I don't even know where it is. Ah.